How to get story mode on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your TikTok app, and once you do that, what you need to do is you need to click on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. So go ahead and do that. Now once you do that, at the bottom um, of your screen, you will see that next to camera there's story, so click on it. And once you do that, you will be on the story mode section on your TikTok app, which you can record, as you can see, video or photo. You can also upload. You can upload from your mobile device. You can add effects. You can usually edit a lot of stuff, as you can see, add music, etc. Now, for some of you, this story mode will not be available. Now, what you need to do in order for you to fix that is you need to go ahead and make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Now, if you have updated your TikTok app and still does not have the mode, then keep in mind that this story mode is a new feature that TikTok has added recently, and it's just like any other feature. We'll start to slowly rolling out to more and more accounts. So some people will have it, others won't, and eventually, if you wait enough and you are patient enough, then eventually you will be able to get this mode, just like anybody else. This is how the features works, and this is how every app works. So you might just wait, and eventually you will have it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get story mode on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.